So this part is frozen, and as you can see, just ice easily can get underneath. For example, you have full area frozen and house still gives heat to the roof, so roof surface isn't cold and it's melting ice, but ice covered this area, so any water that's melt under the ice have no way to go, so it just going underneath of this metal and going into this corner or under this metal. And you see, it's not very hard to pry it. So my solution to unscrew it and did a bit of mastic all the way down here and see what it does.